Welcome, welcome, welcome. It is the weekend, and I want to start off with a confession. Seriously, looking back, I realized I made a massive error. You see, I didn't do any affiliate marketing. I ignored the fact that almost every online solopreneur does some form of affiliate marketing. That means that almost 100% of the online money is made in some form of an affiliate capacity. But I didn't do affiliate marketing. And about a year and a half ago, I started running some affiliate campaigns just to test the waters out. So what my error was is I didn't realize how truly profitable it was. I share my affiliate offer with people, and I generate anywhere from $2,000 to $5,000 per week through affiliate marketing. And guess what? I'm not even an affiliate marketer. So we built this store. So we have built affiliate store to help me and to help you make more money out of your affiliate efforts. So what makes affiliate store so powerful? This is the real thing I'm going to show you. I'm going to give you a demo. It's going to blow you away. It's auto-built pages, AI written copy, zero tech setup. Seriously, it is crazy easy to create one of these pages. Let me show you how. So inside here, I just go add a store. And I'm going to, so I put a basic store description, handpicked by me. I bought these and loved them. I'm just going to use a store title. Of course, you would put a better store title than this. I could upload a logo if I want. See, my banner was over 500 pixels, so I need to choose a different one. Okay. And then I have no products yet because I didn't add any, right? But it's pretty simple to come in here and add a product. So I go in here and I manage products, and then I add a product. So here's where the real simple magic comes in. All right, this is where it gets really, really awesome. I put the name of the product called Traffic Tsunami. I put the URL of the website for AI to write the definition for me. Then I pop the link right in there, okay? And then I'm going to save and continue. And it's working on it, right? And then I can choose to make it active. There's my name. You know, I can open this bigger. I can add, I can edit it. I can format it, whatever I want to do. And then if I want to put in a YouTube video, I just put the embed code in there. I can change the background of the color. And then I can show additional products. Well, in my store, I don't have any yet. But if I want to have 3 more at the bottom, and then I can add product images. Then if I want to add an image, I just click. I go to where it is on and I grab it. I can, of course, add multiple images, but we're just going to save this. And then if I go to that page, you're going to see I have my full information. I have the one image, YouTube video. I could format this any which way I want. But here's the best. Now, when I click this, I go over, and let's say I click the buy button, and you see down here, that's my affiliate URL. That's magical. A page that is built for you so quickly, ready to go. So here's another example. We have a logo. We have a description. We have a nicer banner than the one I just did in the demo. And this one has 6 products in it already, okay? I can go to a product. You can see that this one has a video in the description. You see how these are really, really thorough descriptions. You see we're adding the images in. We could, of course, add as many as we want. And then at the bottom, you'll always see this more products because we had products. Remember, we had that option. This is affiliate magic. This is exactly what one of the top sites on the planet does. They show the one big image like this, but you can add a whole bunch more, right? So people can get lots of information if there's a lot of good in. And most of the affiliate products have lots of excellent images. And once you have some sales, you'll be able to display a review section like this as well. Okay? So how this works is we're going to let you create up to 3 stores, because maybe you have different types of affiliate things. Maybe one of your passions is health and wellness. Maybe another one is pets. Maybe another one is cryptocurrency or digital products. You know what I mean? We're going to let you create up to 3 stores. We're going to let you add up to 10 products per store. No API or credits needed, meaning you just log in and you make it. We handle all the AI costs. You can add up to 3 images per product, up to 1,000 impressions per product, show additional products. You can have 1 custom domain. Okay, and this number of tokens here is more than enough for 3 stores and 30 products. Even enough for you to delete some products and try new products. You understand? And then all of the bonuses below. This is a massive deal. With the bonuses and the lifetime access, $280 worth of value. But we're going to take 96.4% off of that, saving you a total of $270.97. Do not miss this opportunity. Click this button and get your own affiliate store today.